Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, specifically focusing on something called a transformer model. Whether you're a seasoned AI expert or just starting to explore this exciting field, we've got something for everyone. So, grab a snack, get comfy, and let's get started. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly is a transformer model in AI, and why is it so important? Well, let's break it down together. To understand what a transformer model is, we first need to take a step back and talk about how traditional neural networks work. In the early days of natural language processing, or NLP, models like RNNs were commonly used. They processed data sequentially, which means they looked at one word at a time in a sentence. This was effective but had its limitations, especially when it came to understanding long sentences or maintaining context over larger pieces of text. Enter the transformer model. Introduced in the groundbreaking paper's Attention is All You Need by Vaswani et al. In 2017, transformers revolutionized how we approach natural language tasks. But what makes them so special? At the heart of the transformer model is a mechanism called self-attention. This allows the model to weigh the significance of different words in a sentence, regardless of their position. Let's say we have the sentence, "The cat sat on the mat." In a traditional model, understanding the relationship between cat and a mat might be tricky, especially if the sentence were longer. But with self-attention, the transformer can look at the entire sentence at once and determine that cat and mat are closely related, even if they are separated by other words. This ability to assess the importance of each word in relation to others is what gives transformers their power. They can capture context better than previous models, leading to more accurate translations, summarizations, and even creative writing. Now, let's talk about some real-world applications of transformer models. One of the most well-known implementations is in machine translation. Google Translate now uses transformer-based models to provide more fluent and contextually accurate translations. This means when you type a phrase in English and want it translated into Spanish, the model understands not just word-for-word translations but also idiomatic expressions. Another exciting application is in chatbots and virtual assistants. Companies like OpenAI have developed models such as GPT-3, which are based on the transformer architecture. These models can generate human-like text, answer questions, and even engage in conversations. This is a game-changer for customer service and personal assistance. Data shows that transformer models have significantly outperformed previous methods in various benchmarks. For instance, in the GLUE benchmark, which tests a model's understanding of language tasks, transformer-based models achieved state-of-the-art results across multiple categories. Moreover, transformers aren't limited to language tasks. They've also been applied in fields like computer vision, where they help analyze and generate images. This versatility is what makes the transformer architecture such a critical development in AI. To wrap it all up, transformer models have transformed the landscape of artificial intelligence, particularly in natural language processing. Their ability to understand context through self-attention allows for more accurate predictions, translations, and interactions. As we continue to develop and refine these models, the possibilities are truly endless. We hope you enjoyed learning about transformer models today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content on AI and technology. And tell us in the comments, what AI topics would you like us to cover next? Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of technology.